Hi quilters, I'm Shelley Robson from the Quilted Forest, and one of my favorite things to do is to order fabric. So let's see what I ordered. Oh, colorful in this box, that is for sure. This is Tula Pink. I've got some basics here of hers. This one is from Tabby Road. Whoa, there goes a box. This one is a really nice stripe. Look at all the different colors on that. Very fun to have. We have this in a cuddle fabric, a minky fabric, and now we have it also on the bolt. I think this is the second time I've gotten that one. This one is just a nice uneven dot. I love that. This one is a beautiful floral. There's little tiny mice on there. They're really hard to see at first, and then you start looking at them and you're like, what's that little tail? And there's a little mousey on there. So cute. And this one has cats. Like these Technicolor cats, aren't they cute? That one is called Tabby Road. And then I have some prints that are from a different designer. This one's from Sue Penn. Green on green dots there, very cool. And this, I believe, is a panel from Sue Penn called Garden Delight. Gorgeous, gorgeous colors. Super bold and bright. I love that kind of stuff. Look at that. Look at the fantastic color on that. That is gorgeous. Very, very pretty. I love how it has a different gradation of color. And then this is a fabric to use for like borders. Fabulous color on that too. And I love the big dots and the little dots. Excellent fabric. That one's called Garden Delight by Sue Penn. This next box, oh, here's another one. This one is also from Tabby Road. Another kitty cat print. It's a little bigger than the other one. These cats are a larger scale. Love that purple background on that. And here is the bolt that has the canned food on it. Love these little fish scales or fish bones on the cans. That's really cute. And this one has cat eyes on it. This one is a texture that goes with that bold Sue Penn print that we had. And then here is another texture. Same fabric, but in a dark blue. So you can't really make out the pattern as much, but it's in there. It's very nice. Really deep, rich color. All right, I can't wait to get into another box here. What do we got? Ooh, batiks. These are from Riley Blake. That is a really good green. That's more like a Kelly green. This is more of a lime green. Ooh, that's a beautiful purple. That's a rich color on there. So we have nice purple. These are just plain, no design in them, but just a nice like background fabric for all sorts of batik quilts. So those are batiks. The next box, this is also from Riley Blake. Now these are textures. So it's just a pattern that goes across both directions. These are by Sandy Gervais. She does such a fantastic job with these just basic prints. They fill in anytime you need some good color. Now these are two different oranges. This one's a little bit brighter. This one's more like a fall orange. And then we have a royal blue and a background. Can never have enough backgrounds. All right, next we have a couple Moda boxes. First one, oh, here's the fun stuff that I ordered. This is called Snack Shack. These are French fries with ketchup. Isn't that fun? Oh my goodness. Here's the hamburgers with wings. This kind of looks like popcorn in the background. And then here is like an all over print that has all sorts of fun foods. Banana splits, donuts, hot dogs, French fries, shakes. You know, sometimes you just have to have fun fabric. And here is pizza. So whenever you need to make something a little bit silly, you gotta have fabric for that. All right, here's some more. We've got donuts. They even have sprinkles on them. Oh, of course. Tacos with some lime slices in the background. And then we have a bolt of just sprinkles. In with that whole box of fun, crazy fabric is kind of a serious print. And this just kind of looks like architecture. It's a great background. I thought that would be really fun to use, especially in a guy quilt. And in this second Moda box, oh my goodness, Halloween, yay! Some of my favorite fabric, of course, to order. Oh, I'm gonna tip over this whole pile over here. All right, so Halloween fabric from Moda. This line is from Ruby Star Society. It's called Good Spirits. So this one is a little cat print. And the faces go both directions, so it's kind of an all-over print. This one has ladies on it, skeletons. They got all sorts of costumes. There's Elvira, there's a mummy. Very cute. This one has owls on it. And the owls go one direction, so this one's a directional print. And these are both kind of a dark gray, almost a bluish gray background. This is a nice orange. It's a very Halloween orange. And the design on this one kind of goes both directions. It's got owls and skulls, telephone on there. It's kind of funny. And then we have some background kind of prints. These are just a color with some stars on it. So we've got a black, a kind of neon yellow, a cream color with multicolor stars on it. And then this last one is just a black fabric. And it's not a plain black, it's got a little bit of a design to it. So it's not plain black, but it's a good background fabric for all the rest of these prints. All right, down here in this, oh, this looks like more Tula Pink. Well, that's a different way to package a box. These are the Neon True colors. These are some of her basics. There's a stripe, and I've got it in 3 colors. This purpley, the blue, and then this aqua color. Wouldn't those make great bindings? Fabulous. All right, and then we have a dot, and it's kind of a light aqua color with big dots. And then this one has birds and stars. It's kind of a grayish background with these really neon blue designs. And then this one is one of her mini stripes. And it's a royal blue with kind of a lime green stripe. This next package, oh, my favorite. Oh, been waiting for this. Excellent. This one, the Harry Potter print. It's got the Marauder's map and some basic designs in the background. Oh, that would make a cool backpack. This one, okay, this one is called Harry Potter Stamps, and it's got, kind of looks like it's got stickers all on it. It's a white background, multicolor print, and turn it so you can read it. It's got all the places in the Harry Potter universe. And then this next one has it, so it kind of looks like stamps. So it's kind of some of the same places, similar pictures, but has the little design around them that makes it look like stamps. Very cool. So anybody who likes Harry Potter will love these. Okay, we got 4 boxes left in this top one. Wow, that is a cool print. That is some, oh my goodness, look at the amazing color on these. Okay, first one out has these beautiful owls, and they kind of have like a motif going through. It's all different directions. The gorgeous color on this though. This one has these, I don't know if those are geckos or lizards, but look at the color in that. That is fabulous. And then here's a floral that coordinates with those 2 fabrics. And then this is a very large scale honeycomb kind of looking print. And it's got some bees in there. And the last one out of here, I believe, is a panel. And it goes with this whole line. This line is called Night Garden. It's by Blank Quilting. But look at the color on this. This is beautiful. I kind of forgot I'd ordered this. I recognized it as soon as it came in. Oh my goodness, that is beautiful. Doesn't that look like a fun place to visit? Gorgeous. Okay, next box. Oh, I think this is more from that Night Garden line. Yep. Look at these adorable little hedgehogs in a field of daisies. And this is a background print. Kind of pull everything together. Kind of looks like the night sky with multicolored stars. And then here is another floral. Very crisp flowers on that. That's gorgeous. All right, this one has hummingbirds on it. I can't wait to take the plastic off these and see the colors up close. It's just going to be beautiful. And the last one is another panel print. And this one has blocks. So instead of one big panel, it's going to have squares. Not sure what size these are. They look like they're about 10 or 11 inches maybe. But there's an owl, looks like a moth or a butterfly, the bumblebee, the lizard, the hedgehog, and the hummingbird. But look how gorgeous. All the color in this is just so crisp. Nicely done. Next box. Oh, I think this is more Tula. We have yellow with a pink dot. We have purple with, I can't tell if that's a white dot or a cream dot, but it's purple anyway. Then we have a gray, maybe it's a gray dot. Then we have a gray with a yellow stripe. And these, again, are more of her basics. We're starting to have a pretty good collection of that. And the last one is the gray background with the birds and the stars kind of sprinkled all over. And now we're down to our last box. Oh, 2 more boxes. I lied, 2 more boxes. Okay, this is a little box from Moda, so that means charm packs. And this is called Floribunda, the Create Joy project. She always has such great prints. And I'm going to open this up so you can get a little taste of what the fabrics are in this collection. And I know we have some of these coming too. Oh, look at that one. Oh, these are very cool. I wonder what fabrics I ordered to go with it. I guess we'll soon find out. Oh, those are gorgeous. Floribunda charm packs. Okay, now it really is the last box. Oh, and this is also Tula. This is one of those prints that's ombre. So it starts on this selvage with one color, moves into a lighter color, and then carries that through to the other selvage. So it's the same on both sides, but it kind of lightens up in the center. This is similar to the other print that we had that was multicolored, but this one's just all aqua and blue. We have a lime green with a blue dot. Now, if there are fabrics you're seeing that you would like, we don't have our fabrics on our website, but you can certainly call us and we can help you over the phone. This one is a teal with a lime green stripe. And last, out of the box, is a dark green with looks like either a light green or a tealy kind of dot on it. More beautiful Tula fabric coming into our shop. We're very excited to have our collection growing, and more beautiful prints from other companies too. So we hope you can get a chance to come and see them. And if not, just give us a call and we'll help you over the phone. Thanks for watching and happy quilting.